Environmental rules have a profound impact on international trade, shaping how countries interact economically while also addressing critical issues like climate change and resource depletion. Take the Paris Agreement, for example. It sets ambitious targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and while it's a global commitment, it also influences trade policies. Countries that prioritize sustainability may impose tariffs on goods from nations with lax environmental standards. This can create a competitive edge for businesses that invest in green technologies, but it can also lead to trade tensions. Consider the European Union's Green Deal. It aims to make Europe the first climate-neutral continent by 2050. This initiative includes strict regulations on carbon emissions and encourages the use of renewable energy. For European businesses, this means they must innovate and adapt, which can be costly upfront. However, it also opens up new markets for green products and technologies. On the flip side, countries that rely heavily on fossil fuels may find their exports suffering, leading to economic challenges and job losses in traditional sectors. Then there's the issue of biodiversity. The Convention on Biological Diversity encourages countries to protect their ecosystems. For businesses involved in agriculture or forestry, this can mean stricter regulations on land use and resource extraction. While these rules help preserve vital habitats, they can also limit the expansion of industries that rely on natural resources. This creates a delicate balance between environmental protection and economic growth. In developing countries, the impact of environmental rules can be even more pronounced. On one hand, these regulations can attract foreign investment from companies looking to meet sustainability goals. On the other hand, they can impose burdens on local businesses that may not have the resources to comply. This can stifle economic development and exacerbate inequalities. Moreover, communities often bear the brunt of these rules. In regions where industries are heavily regulated, workers may face job losses as companies relocate to countries with looser environmental standards. Conversely, communities that embrace sustainable practices can benefit from new job opportunities in green industries. Ultimately, the effect of environmental rules on international trade is a double-edged sword. They can drive innovation and protect our planet, but they also pose challenges that require careful navigation. Countries, businesses, and communities must work together to find solutions that balance economic interests with environmental stewardship. It's a complex dance, but one that is essential for a sustainable future.